Hi! In this video I want to show you how to make cute pumpkin earrings, perfect for fall season. To make these earrings, you need felting wool. If you want and you know how to do it, you can make them with the dry technique using a needle. But I will show you how to make them with the wet technique. So first, take a piece of wool and make a ball of it. Then dip it in the water and on the ordinary soap. And then just start to form a ball between your hands by lightly pressing. After a few moments, start pressing harder on the ball to press the wool inside. From time to time, add soap so that the ball is foamed all the time. Take some wool and wrap it around the ball, then add some more soap and water and keep making the ball, like in the video. Now, let's start making the leaf. Take some green felting wool to make a ball and then rub it with your fingers to make a leaf. Leave the balls and leaves to dry. You can help yourself by using a hairdryer or heater. When they are completely dry, choose the color of the mullein. I chose yellow. Now, use the mullein to create lines on the balls, as in the video. If you want, you can squeeze the mullein harder like I do, to get the shape of a pumpkin. And if you want, you can squeeze less and then it will be just balls with lines, and it will look nice too. Then sew the leaf to the pumpkin, leaving a loop at the top. Next, take a piece of chain. I used 4 hoops. Unfasten them at both ends. Attach one end to the pumpkin and ear wire to the other end. Then tighten both hoops, and your earrings are ready to wear.